Hello there, my Cancerians. Welcome to your read for July of 2023, and happy birthday. Whether it's a couple days late or your birthday's coming up, this is your birthday season, so that's already good luck for you. Also, work with Ruby. It's your birthstone if you were born in July, and even if you were born in late June. Ruby is very good for the zodiac sign of Cancer. So we'll get some shuffles and see what we've got going on for my Cancers for July of 2023. So a few cards jumped right out of the deck, very interesting. So we've got the Devil card with the Three of Cups in the reverse. Some of you could be having issues with overindulgence, or maybe the person on your mind is. You could also be dealing with a Capricorn. Capricorn with water placements in the rest of their chart, possibly. Or you could have Capricorn in your chart. So then we've got the Six of Wands in the reverse. So that's kind of telling me that somebody's spreading rumors, and they're also holding back. For whatever reason, they can tell everybody but you. Somebody's talking and they're not telling you to your face, or the person you're dealing with, maybe they've got strong feelings for you and they're in denial, and for whatever reason, they're trash talking you. Maybe they're salty that you wouldn't put up with their BS. Let's see what else we have for my Cancerians. What happened in the recent past for my Cancers? What happened that led up to this? What's going on for Cancers? So we've got the Ace of Pentacles. I feel like you left your job and you just began a new job pretty recently. Maybe you started a new job or you made a career change because there was some kind of drama or some toxic people. I mean, that's a pretty common situation for a lot of people. It's not really anything too wild. Not anything that's, uncommon, that's for sure. And what lies ahead in the near future? Interesting. So we've got the Death card, which that is very symbolic of transformation. So I think you're going through a major change right now. I feel like a lot of you are changing jobs at the moment, or something involving your financial situation. And for a small group of you, something may involve a new beginning with your health, some kind of health changes. Maybe you left a gym and joined a new one, or some group of people that were involving your health, and there was just pettiness and drama and trash talking, so or maybe you were overindulging in garbage food, with that Devil card and Three of Cups in the reverse, and then followed by the Ace of Pentacles, new beginnings in a health situation. That could be the deal right now. And where are you in your headspace? So we've got the Ten of Cups in the reverse. You may be feeling emotionally very unfulfilled right now. There was something that you thought was your place to settle down, whether it's employment or another person. You felt like you found your happily ever after, and you've been disappointed because it turned out that it wasn't what you thought it was. Which makes room for better changes interesting, followed by the Seven of Pentacles, enjoying the fruits of your labor, a job well done. So this is saying that whatever change that you made, or whatever change you're going through, it sucks balls right now, Cancer, but it will be worth it in the end, so you made the right decision. It's gonna suck, and you know there's hard parts to get through, but once you come out on the other side, it's gonna be butter. And we've got the Five of Swords. So, yeah, so the Five of Swords in the 8th card position. So that talks about the outside influences, exactly, conflict, drama, and gossip. So that's what you're surrounded with, or what you recently were surrounded with, even more verification. Or maybe you were trying to get away from a group that overindulges, you know, maybe they party and drink a lot and it was becoming a problem. And we've got the Fool card. Yup, you don't even care where you're going, you just want to get away from there. So, what's the future actions that Cancer's person is gonna take, or, you know, the people around him is gonna take? What future actions can we expect for my Cancers for July of 2023? Awesome. We've got the Ten of Wands in the reverse, so this is actually talking about your actions, more verification. It talks about releasing a burden, releasing drama and shit-talking twat waffles, and letting them fall off. Yup, you're releasing a burden. You're releasing those toxic people. And then we've got the Tower card in the reverse, so those people, whatever they're blabbing about, they just don't want to let it go. There's something where you're thinking towards these people, geez, get over it, let it die already. They're not letting something go. You're ready to move on with your life and be done with these people. What's the advice for my Cancers? Can I get some advice for my Cancers for July of 2023? What's the advice for Cancers? King of Swords in the reverse. Legit, this is saying, you know, you are a nice person, you're sensitive and compassionate and very nurturing. This is giving you the go-ahead that if you have to, go ahead and be an asshole. Be an asshole to these people, or don't do it in a way where you're using energy, like don't go out of your way to mess with them or talk crap. But let's say that they text you, or they message you, or they run your mouth at you. You're not obligated to respond to their BS, ghost on them. It's giving you the go-ahead, like, no, they deserve to get ghosted. They deserve to get their BS handed right back to them. Whatever it is that, you know, gives you your peace, you do not have to feel guilty about cutting these people out. Please do not. And can I get an outcome? What is the outcome for my Cancers here? So we've got the Nine of Pentacles in the reverse, followed by the King of Wands in the reverse. So I think you are going to end up snapping on these people. I really do. They're going to annoy you so bad and push you to your limits, and you're going to end up giving them a piece of mind. Or I don't know if that's the right way that I just said it, but I hope you got what I meant. And what else is the outcome for my Cancers? I feel like we need one more card. We've got the Hermit in the reverse, so I think it's talking about that you've done enough introspection, you went within and you healed and you're ready to come out of your shell now. I feel like a lot of these people made you want to run and hide and keep to yourself in your little snail shell, and now you're like, F that, I'm coming out. You know, they're gonna hear it if they want to come at me like that. So I think that you are becoming more bold, which, if somebody pushes a Cancer to the point where they have to get snappy, that's pretty bad. They done fucked up. Alright, Cancer, so I hope that resonated for you. I hope that made sense. I hope you have a great rest of your weekend, and I wish you a happy and prosperous July of 2023. And thank you so much for watching.